Good evening. It's March 19. I've been away for a week because I went to the MVP Summit, Microsoft headquarters in Redmond. And when I returned, all my audio settings were not working anymore. Story of my life. But let's first start the show. I just found that my audio is still not working for my audio effects. At least. No, we don't have audio effects, I guess. Not sure why, but strange. Okay. Oh, these audio effects are still working. What are we going to do? Last week I saw some interesting stuff about the hybrid MAUI options, where we can incorporate Blazor within a MAUI application. So I was actually thinking maybe I can create some sort of a MAUI shell that also incorporates an Office add-in. Depending on the platform that you're running on, and otherwise have native, maybe mobile things, and otherwise I can maybe also turn my website into a MAUI application just for kicks. Let's go to the code window and have a look. So default, let's kick off Visual Studio first. I don't think this will be a long stream because I'm terribly late already. So let's try create a new project here. There's a new version of Visual Studio available, new preview version, but I didn't want to put that update on here because otherwise I would be too late. But yeah, now I'm too late anyway. But I didn't want to skip the live stream today. Let's have a look at MAUI. MAUI. There we have out of the box a .NET MAUI Blazor hybrid app. Project creating a .NET MAUI application for iOS, Android, Mac, Catalyst, WinUI, Tizen and Blazor hybrid. So let's first start with this one. Next. Let's see, can we make a new folder in here? 19. My first hybrid MAUI app. Next. Long-term support. Let's do that. Let's see where we run into. They should give a default application. Xamarin Android, what? Specified Android manifest file does not exist. Based on your solution, you might need to install extra components. Install. Now the question is, what does it install? Storing NuGet packages. That's a good start already. it's used in another process. I guess it's because I clicked twice on here. Still restoring. Oh, there's something in the back. Always nice to put that in there. What? Let's close that. I think what this needs, let's close this down. Then bring the installer up. There's an update available, as I just mentioned. Modify. Let's see if we have the mobile components in here. We do have the mobile components in here. So I'm not sure why it's complaining then. Based on your solution, you might need to install extra components for full development experience. So tell me which one. New to .NET MAUI. Let's start here. Build your first app. This is the default .MAUI project. We can try to do that first. Close this one. Let's go through the steps. 17.8 or greater. And which one do we have? .9, so that's there. Available. Studio with the .NET multi-platform app UI workload. I think we have that. Installer. Abadus and Bella Smitho, how are you doing? I'm fine. Thank you. How are you doing? Modify. What is it asking for? Multi-platform app. This thing that's already in here. GitHub Copilot. Remote File Explorer. Everything is installed. Modify that. Pretty good, thanks for asking. Such an amazing background. Maintained it so well. Well, I've been busy for a couple of years already. But still don't have much time enough to keep things updated. I would like to spend more time on the layout and things. Maybe for that I need to be a full-time YouTuber, and that's not the case at this time. Full-time developer. I'm a full-time developer. That's what I am this time. Yeah, even my Campbox has like running borders around it. Did it install all the parts here? Let's try continuing. Launchfish Studio 2022. Well, this is actually a preview, the latest, not the latest version, because there's an update available. Let's try new project and kick off a normal MAUI project, like so. MAUI. That's this one. Folder is correct. MAUI app. Well, let's keep it as is. I think it's the same in here. Next. Same. .NET 8 long term. Create. That will build the project. Now the question is, will it also have all the components available? And it's not, still complaining. But it's going away. That's good. Another one. I think it's installing components. Now I did it by myself. I think I used mostly Photoshop and Premiere from Adobe for that. So to be on YouTube or Twitch, you also need to have some creative stuff to be done with Adobe or whatever other tools are available. I selected Adobe for that, but you could also use something else. Let's see, let's follow this. Where now? This one. Wait for the project to be created and its dependencies to be restored. In the Fish Studio toolbar, use the debug target drop down and select Android emulators. And then Android emulator entry. Oh no, now I'm starting a window version. Do you remember how much you paid for it and for that border around Cam and your own character? Well, nothing, because other than the Adobe subscription. Oh, this is working. That's good. So maybe the hybrid version is also working. So this is apparently Android. Oh, what's happening? Click me. Oh, okay. That's the Windows machine. Now try the other option, Android emulator. Starting it again. Come on. It's a small thingy there. Android emulator. I'm a great developer. Well, I don't know. I try my best. Let's start this. At least I think that's the idea. Press the Android emulator. That requires me to get the license in place. Accept. Another one. Android, accept. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe if you like joining our live streams, or want to get notified on when actually you can give me a chance to make it more creative and animations on that. I know it's going to be more attractive and grabbing attention because you know the audience and blah blah blah. I know you're not the first saying that, but I'm trying to do it myself. Create, I think. That license emulator. This one is not showing. A new device. We have a new device. Default Android device Pixel 5. We're downloading the Pixel 5. It's annoying that my sound effects are not working. Why not? Output to default. Should go to system, I think. Let's try this. Check, check. Oh, now it's working. That's much better. Okay. And it's still installing my Android. Actually, I don't charge much doing it. Very low budget. Yeah, my budget is even lower. And I'm doing it for free. Well, for myself, that is. Sorry for you. Where from, by the way? I like your banner on your account at least. Florida. Start. Ooh. Driver issue. Some user experience stability, a driver version. Okay. It's black. I'm not sure if it needs time to load or something else. Warning, hardware acceleration must be enabled to maximize Android emulator performance. Failure to do will result in the emulator running very slowly. I was hoping, sir, you'll help me out in my needs by giving some jobs that support me, but yeah, sorry. Oh, it is doing something. So I guess it's indeed very slow. How to enable hardware acceleration with Android emulator Hyper-V. And when I'm already on VM here, I'll have a look at your profile after the stream to see something of your work, maybe. You have a portfolio somewhere? Oh, we have a phone. Okay. Soft. As in software.com. Welcome to Chrome. So is your portfolio on your account on Twitch? Update driver, okay. Did it stop? Where is it? I lost my... I am on Discord sometimes, not all the time. That's a good thing. Discord. Where is it starting there? Now it's updating. Let's try to restart this again. Based on your solution, you might need to install extra components. I did click the install multiple times already. You already have the frameworks, blah, blah, blah. You can add more by running, no. I think everything is installed already. You can greatly improve Android debugging experience launching Pixel 5 before build. Launch emulator. Closed unexpectedly. Don't send. Okay. Where is my thingy there? Not sure where my link is. Invite people. That's a copy of the link. Copy. That's my Discord. There's the emulator again. Let's try kicking up my thing again. Chrome. Is it kill again? Simply not able to run it here, apparently. Launch emulator. Location. I'm in Mountain View. Really? No. Not this place. Let's see if we can tailor this to run in a virtual machine. Android. Android emulator Visual Studio. Virtual machine. Can I run Android emulator on a virtual machine? Allows you to run Android emulator. Okay, we'll look at your portfolio after the stream. Configure hardware accelerator. Open the AVD manager. To open the new device manager, do one of the following things. More actions, virtual device manager. Click create device. You want to use virtual devices to run automated blah blah blah. Hardware profile. Recommended system settings, system images, storage. Create hardware profile. Where is it? Here. Let's stop this one. Hello, Scott from Denmark. How are you doing today? Pixel 2, Pixel 5, processor. Android 14. Hardware accelerometer. Doing well and going to bed though. Yeah, I should be going to bed as well, but my audio was failing. When I started my stream, so I was already an hour and a half late. But I quickly started something with MAUI. Now trying to get the Android emulator up and running. But it's killing each time I try to run it. If I open Chrome, soft as in software.com. Yeah, I'm late. I'm too late. I did kill again. Okay, well, my main priority for now would be to make it hybrid. So close this one. And close that. Try the hybrid one. Have a good night's sleep, Mr. Scott from Denmark. Maybe Thursday will be a bit earlier. Not authorized. Oh, yeah, but because I need to log in, probably. Where do you log in for the Copilot? Let's first try to run this on the Windows machine. Building. So this is the MAUI application. I don't think this is the Blazor one. This is terribly slow. Maybe that's the first run, I don't know. There we recognize the Blazor page, but it's about. So just going to .NET counter, weather application. Oh, what's that? Cancel. Oh, and it died on me. So that's the first hybrid thing. This is, I think, I'm not sure this is that hybrid. It's not hybrid at all, I think. Is it? Let's open the other one. The one from Elon. Not Elon Musk, but let's try this. Clone that. Terminal. Go to CD data. Repos 2024-03. What's today? 19. Git clone. CD MAUI Hybrid web view, I think. MAUI solution. Yeah. No, that's a C#. Yeah, it's the C# one. So typical to do like develop a website and apps. But I'm so wondered to see you doing it so calmly and having fun in that. Thank you. You need to stay calm, otherwise it will never happen. It's restoring. Hyper-V running. Emulator support is true. That is restored. Let's try C# interrupt web view. Let's close this. F5. Let's see what happens. Oh. To build this project, the workflow must be installed WASI experimental. Do you do podcast or something? Because you have a bassful voice, radio voice. No, I don't have a podcast. Let's see. Was he experimental? Let's have a look. If we missed that or something. Installer. Why would we need WASI experimental? Cannot resolve hybrid web view DLL, but yeah, that probably needs to be built. But that's depending maybe on WASI experimental. Modify. Individual components. WASI. That's not there. Let's Google that. WASI experimental. Extending WebAssembly to the cloud with .NET. Wasm or Wazi? Wazi. Workload. .NET workload. Install. Yep. Android, iOS. Interesting. Wonder why that was not part as NuGet package. Maybe. Let's look at the solution here. NuGet, manage NuGet packages. Browse. Wazi. Experimental. Nothing, including pre-release. That's something different. Already has some updates here. Preview 9, because this is still on 8. SQL NET PCL. Okay. Wazi. I'm not sure why this is not in here. Let's close this and open it again. I think it's this one. Build, deploy, and develop faster by using file system based dev drive. Platform version is not present on one or more target frameworks. .NET 8 Android. Create a virtual hard disk. When a project has changed, cannot be automatically handled by the project. Please save other changes and reload the project. Fail to restore. Let's try to build it. Let's see what's happening. Build failed. To build a project following workload. Oh. I would expect that to be in here by import workloads targets. think it's because the target framework is not the same. Let's open the other one and see what the default version is creating. .NET 8, Android, .NET 8. That's the same. .NET 8, 10. That's also the same. One comment to also build Tizen app. Use MAUI, single project, through using target framework. (1402). (14). 24. Windows. That's the same. Tizen 6.5. Here are the controls. Extension logging 8. MAUI version. Still not. Platform version is not present. Even though they have specified platform. That's a good first start. Don't think it's working. Why are these workloads not by default in the installer? What if I which one is complaining on is like error list? No, that's the other one. At least this one is not complaining about all the workloads. MAUI's in there. macOS TV. Oh, cancel. No. Mobile. Could say something like MAUI Tizen. Why would he need to do this all separately? iOS. Is it somewhere specified? MAUI iOS. Successful install workloads MAUI iOS Tizen Android. Why did they specify the required workloads? Install missing features. think it's closing the application. Workloads, install commands. First, to verify your development environment and install missing components, use the MAUI check utility. For acquiring installing SDK's MAUI check uses the same as what? Come on. There's no button here. Oh, it's still loading something. No. Close that. Let's have a look at the thing again. My first, let's first this one. Failed to restore. Close all tabs. Build failed. Still missing a workload. Mac Catalyst. Terminal. This one. MAUI Hybrid Web View. .NET workload. Mac Catalyst. Mac Catalyst. Yeah. There are a couple of YouTube videos available on the hybrid, the MAUI hybrid thing. Go to YouTube. You search for MAUI hybrid. That should be giving you this one. Why do I have autoplay on? I don't want the autoplay on. The one built hybrid apps with .NET MAUI, .NET Conf 2023. This is actually the demo that I've also seen at the MVP Summit. Looks there's also a session from Gerald Versluis. Highly recommended. This is from 10 months ago, NDC London. And there's the one from James Montemagno. This is also an hour, I think. 35 minutes. That's plain MAUI development. There should also be another one, this one. That's 18 minutes. 8 minutes. Should be a bigger one. Is .NET MAUI hopeless? I hope not. Mix MAUI and Blazor. Another one from Gerald, our friend from the Netherlands. Why would you want to build a hybrid app with .NET MAUI? 45 seconds. I think this is also related to the .NET Conf. My friend Beth Massey, PM on the .NET MAUI team. Is it called .NET MAUI? I don't even know. At least the MAUI team. Let's see if it's already finished here. It did have the Mac catalyst, but let's close this again and open it again because I think it's only checking once. Now it says the platform version is not present for one or more targets, even though they have specified. Now it's still doing things. .NET. Oh, and there it goes away. I think it's restored. Let's hit F5 again. It's doing something. There we are. So this is a hybrid thing where we send this Windows application running a raw message to JavaScript. Let's see if that's doing something. This is doing nothing, I think. I don't know. Raw messages. Oh, okay. Oh, now this is highlighted. Received a message from .NET. And method invoke. Called from .NET. Yeah. We have proxy URLs. Where we show the map. I'm actually somewhere over here. Load image from zip file. Okay. Proxy random image from web. Is that a part of a country? Filter load. That all seems to be working. That is a live preview of the XAML page. Okay. Main page. Welcome to the hybrid WebView demo for .NET MAUI. The hybrid WebView control enables hosting arbitrary HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and more in a native .NET MAUI app. The .NET code and JavaScript code can send messages to each other and invoke methods in both directions. That's basically what I also do with my Office add-in. Check out the navigation links above for some cool demos. Raw messages. This is a test from soft as in software. Send the raw message. That's bringing it back to the top level. $22.38 already. Method evoke. Call the .NET method with some parameters. That's doing it from there to there. Call the .NET method with no undefined parameters. Yeah. Let's call the .NET method with no parameters. Like so. Simple round trip to call .NET. There's no way to scroll that down. Oh, you can. Value 1 to 3. Invoke .NET Fibonacci. Fibonacci result for 23 is 28657. Google, what is the Fibonacci result for 23? Two 8657. That's correct. Invoke.NET and get JSON result. Okay. Invoke.NET and with input and get JSON result. Oh, that's not doing it right, I guess. I think there's a bug in the code there. And it crashes. So let's put this one as startup. F5. That's a hybrid React JavaScript thingy. It's the to-do thing. Get MAUI Blazor hybrid and running. There. Repeat, eat, sleep, repeat. Check, check. Delete, delete, delete. Filtering. Okay. Then we have the hybrid web view. I think that's used in here. The app. This is the main page. There's the main page. Here's the hybrid web view. Part of the hybrid web view. These are the JavaScript functions. So basically I covered things like the functions in my Office add-in. Send message to .NET. That's doing the send invoke message.NET async. So what I think is that they could adopt the Blazor interop, because that's handling it for them as well. URI, it's building an URI there. This is going with proxy. Repo is the experimental hybrid web view. This is the hybrid web view. This is basically what I also do in my add-in. This call me from script. This is from JavaScript. This is from JavaScript. This is doing for plain HTML, sending the message to C#. That's this one. It's getting the value and then sends raw message to .NET. That's probably something else. Copy, find that. That's in here. So that's an exposed function. That's this one. This sending to web view to Android. WebKit. So that's different. Okay. Well, it's a little bit different than I expected. Create builder. Because here it's building the hybrid web view. SQLite to store the information, I guess. I store some random images in there. Is this all C#? How is this using React? I would say shit through the shared area. Like in here. I wonder if this is a React component. MAUI assets. Any raw assets that can be deployed to application can be placed in this directory. I would almost think that it would be easier to implement Blazor, but maybe that's the one from Beth. Let's have a look. Copy link. That is this one. Code. Copy that. Because this is much more shared, hybrid. It's like Blazor. Let's close this. Where's my terminal here? Git clone the repo from Beth Massey. CD hybrid shared UI. My app solution. Because I think this one is much more like the Blazor website. Get Razor components with server side. Let's try to build it. Was it ready? No, it's already. Let's hit F5. Doing something over here. And while you're waiting, don't forget to subscribe or hit follow or whatever, or on Twitch, on YouTube, to get a notification. So we start now. F5. Yeah, it's running. You're running on desktop UI. This component is defined in my app shared library. That's interesting because this one could identify that I'm actually running Office or not. Let's try selecting Android. Not sure if that will work. Oh. That did not like that. It is starting. Maybe you should have loaded the Android emulator first. It's almost time to wrap up. That means that I have to do some more studying on the YouTube videos out there already. Powered by Android. It really looks like you need a very powerful machine to run this. Pixel is starting. Waiting emulator to be ready, skipping analyze to speed up, and build. You can execute build or rebuild command to run the analyzers. There's the play button, has a little dot in there. System UI is not responding. Wait. Let's give it some time. Still working. Continue waiting. Come on. Still doing things. Keep us. Found device, emulator. Not sure if I need to click it away every time, but if I don't say close app. Still doing something. Start to debug. Oh. Wait. There we have .NET. Wait. Alt reload is still loading. There you are. Hello world from phone Android 14. It's not the best experience here, but at least it's showing phone Android. So that's nice. Let's see if the menu is working. It is, has a counter page. Click me. Yeah, that's even working. Okay, cool. And it's previewing here as well. It's a lot to learn on this area. So let's close this. Okay, good enough for now. So what we've seen today, that you can create shared hybrid MAUI applications, but to get your environment up and running, that's not just doing something on its own out of the box. You need to do some things for that, apparently. So let's continue with that later on. Thursday I will be continuing with my Office add-ins, and hopefully I can bring this into the MAUI hybrid thing, but that probably will be next week. In the meantime, I can do some studying and see if I missed something. And yeah, okay, let's go to the main window here. So thanks everyone for watching. We had a new follower today, Bella Smitho, with her creative things. Have a look at her artwork in my Discord server. This Discord server is also in the chat somewhere. You want to see that? So don't forget to subscribe. or hit the follow button if you're on Twitch. Thanks for watching today, and see you next time Thursday in 2 days. Bye bye.